We just got a new tent setup, so we wanted to show you how you set it up and take it down. It's the FSR manual trifold tent, so it's pretty sweet. We're gonna show you how to put it up and take it down. It's pretty easy to use. So the rails that I got for my truck are Van Tech. I really like them because they're heavy duty, super sturdy. I got this piece that replaced an old plastic piece that sat on my bed rail, and these legs right here just slid right in. I like the height of it. A lot of overlander racks are lower. I like this one because I can fit my bikes on the tailgate still, so it works perfectly. And it's about the height of my roof. As far as the FSR tent goes, just from first look at it, this one has a really big footprint. As you can tell, it's really long, and that might not be as good if you have it on a smaller vehicle, but I like it on this one with where it covers the whole bed. It works pretty well. This one doesn't fold over, and I kind of like that. I like how it just pops kind of straight up above it. So I'll show you how it sets up. There's a bunch of little clips here that you undo. I was pretty surprised how durable this cover is. I haven't really used it in rain or anything yet, but I think it'll work really well. So there's just a bunch as you go across here. Two that go all the way over the top. So get that, and then we'll pull the cover off. Got to get all the way around to get this cover off. Oh, we got one more clip. So now that we have this off, this is a tent right here. The ladder is normally stored right up here, but I have it in the back of the truck right now, so I'll show you that. It's a sweet little ladder, super easy to use. We're gonna start off by hooking it on the back side. It just clips in right up there and extends to the length that you need it, which is nice. So how this tent works is it has three main poles. Find the first one here, and as I push up, it'll pop that first section of the tent up, and then it has these little clips that hooks in right here pretty easily, like that. We'll pop the second part up. Here's that second pole. So we'll clip that into place, just like that. And then we're gonna run to the other side, the ladder. It has the same mount on both sides. Super easy to use. Just like that. And then the last pole, I keep it inside. Right in here, and this just holds the this I don't know, sun cover or windshield open. So, and it's the same design for all three. Same style pole, same way that it clips right there with that. We'll just clip it right up under this bar. Extend this, hook it like that. And this is extendable, so I don't know why you'd want to have it loose, but I always just go as tight as I can there. And that is the tent set up. So it's pretty sweet. Like I said, I like how it doesn't hang over. Like if you wanted, it would only take up one parking spot. This one holds 3 people, so for me and my wife, it's plenty spacious. I'll show you the inside here. And a couple little features that are cool. This is awesome. You can throw your shoes in here, which is convenient. It has that on both sides. So here's the inside. It's very well insulated, and here, I'll get in here just to show you. When I close this, it completely blacks out. Like, there is zero light in here, and I really like that. I think that that is such a cool feature. Let's see here. So we have zippers 360 degrees around the tent that open up just like that. So there's one on each side. You can open up the zipper and just have the netting, and then you open up a second zipper and you can get outside of the tent. And so it has both those, which is an awesome feature. It has kind of hard to see from here, maybe on this side, these little vents that you can prop open, which is nice to have airflow all night. This mattress is really sweet too. It's a 2.5-inch thick mattress that comes with the tent. It's pretty firm, so I really like that. So yeah. I can show you the takedown now. It's exactly the same as how I put it up, so it doesn't take too long. Throw this back in its little pouch here. Just zip this up. Okay. Back to the other side. So yeah, we're just gonna pull these out, and then it tucks away right here. And it takes a second to get down because all the air has to escape. And here's the second one. You can't really see it because it goes underneath the rain fly. I forgot to mention, but the rain fly is included on it. So it's just on there. Just like that. And this drops down, like that. And then the ladder you just throw up top. So I'm just gonna tuck it up there. And then get the cover back on. I'm not gonna lie, the cover can be a little difficult if you're doing it all on your own. It's definitely a lot easier with 2 people, but it's not terrible. This tent, it measures 60 inches wide and 80 inches long. So, like I said, that's pretty big. It's a lot bigger than some other tents. It's also a lot thinner though. A lot of tents will sit really high off the roof, and this one is pretty compact, which would definitely be nice for the gas mileage. And I just think that it worked well for my setup. So it's kind of just all depends on what you're going for, but then yeah, you go around and do that. But Like I said, it's not that tall at all, which I really like, and it's super sturdy. There's definitely tents out there that set up quicker or are lighter weight, but for the price, I think this is the best one out there. This one runs about $1,800 new, so you can't really complain at that price for what you're getting. I think it's the best. So yeah, that's it.